Hey there, Rexy crew. This video is going to kind of be like a vlog. I'm just going to talk about plans for my car, plans for my truck, plans for the side-by-side, or the Power Wheels four-wheeler build. We haven't been able to do much. I've been out of work for 3 months as of this video, and planning on getting back very soon. Work has been kind of slow, but hopefully get back soon. So I haven't had a lot of money to do these builds, to modify vehicles and stuff. Kind of limited to what we got, but once I get back, we're gonna bust our butts getting some of these projects done, stuff figured out. So with my car, it's a 2016 Ford Fusion EcoBoost, not the big old cool 2.5 or 2.0 liter. It's just a little 1.5 liter, but you can still do some stuff to it. Like as of right now, I've recently added a little blow-off valve to it. Something from off eBay. It cost like 15 bucks. Did that. Want to get like possibly sport bumpers, airbag coilovers for it, new wheels, tires and all. Want to wrap it a cool color. I'll use Innos Tech wrap, if that's what it's called. But want to do that. Tint the windows. Put exhaust on it to make it sound better. Maybe add some power modifications, and we'll see how that goes. And there's a few other things like headlights, taillights, and stuff like that. But that's more when I get a job again. Like I said, I only get so much money right now without one, but working on it, trying to figure it out. And then onto my truck. We're gonna, or I guess I'm gonna, when I get back to work, I want to put compounds in it. Has just a single stock turbo. It's not stock turbo, it's a fleece turbo, but it has the same millimeter diameter for it to be stock. So, but other than that, I want to put compounds in it. I want to probably new wheels and tires. The tires are bad, probably because of that burnout in the first video. But everything else is fine on it. Like, it's color matched. Pretty sure it's a night edition, but it's a 2014 Ram 2500. Has a 6.7 liter turbo diesel in it. It's a Laramie, so it's pretty sweet. So it has cooling, heating seats, stuff like that. But I want a new paint job, compounds. It needs a valance on it because it's missing one. I want to put my cab lights on it, or I want to put cab lights on it. Probably repaint it black again because that's kind of the style of the truck. But it's already got tinted windows. I'll probably go a little bit darker on it and get on the top window, the brow, get tint up there too. Other than that, that's probably more to it, but as of right now, I don't really have an idea. Maybe a new intake, add more power. It has a new transmission. It has a 750 horsepower transmission under it from Randy's Transmissions. Probably track bars and stuff like that. Pretty costly parts, and eventually I'll get it to where I want it to be. As of right now, it's far from it. Then our Power Wheels project that we want to turn into a quad, or put on a, make it forward, I want to say forward drive, but quad. Make our own frame, put a motor in it from a quad or dirt bike or something, and roll cage and all and stuff like that. But of course you need money for all that. That's what it is. We will do that as soon as possible. But we need pipe, we need a new motor because the one back here, right there, we decided it wasn't really good enough. So we need pipe, new motor, pipe to make the frame. We got a pipe bender, as you guys, if you were watching a couple videos ago, probably the second video I think, or the first, or the third, not first. We kind of did an unboxing of a few things. And that pipe bender was one of them specifically for that little project. But got all that, need all that. There's a bunch of other projects and other things that we want to do in the future, but right now it's a little tough. We eventually want to do like Copart builds, buy cars from Copart, rebuild them, go play with them, probably break them. That's what it is, we'll see. But that's when that time comes, we'll see. But as of right now, we don't have a lot. We will do what we can. Get out videos the best we can. Like the video will soon come out of like probably an oil change filter stuff on that truck, on my truck. A few other things, maybe a few off-topic stuff, like other things, but we want to do stuff with like maybe side-by-sides, vehicles, four-wheelers. We want to be a topic of it all, automotive, and not, that doesn't mean just cars and trucks, that means all automotive if we can. And we hope you guys will enjoy that. Kind of just showing how to work on things, play, I guess. Good times all around. And it's not, this isn't gonna be a very long video because of just talking, kind of a vlog type deal, but just doing that. It's bright. It's kind of like a vlog deal, and we will probably get back on track soon with the working on vehicles. Our Matthews Dakota, Dodge Dakota, we've done a lot on that already. Fixed the radio, harmonic balancer, got everything else plugged back in. His truck runs good again. It's not here at the moment, so he can't really explain much that he has to have done with it, but applying for that's a lot as well. We got like probably a custom dash coming to that, custom door, panels on the inside, a better lift, bigger, custom make one, because, or get one from a different truck and kind of play with that, see what we can do to make it bigger. My truck, my 2014 Ram, I don't know what we're gonna do with that. There's a lot of stuff I want to do to it, but I don't know if I'm gonna lift it. I might leave it at its height. It's on a, pretty sure it's on a 2-inch level lift. Completely deleted. So, other than that, that's all I got for this video. I wish I could explain more, but we don't know what's going on. The plan for work, money, all that other stuff. So we will see where that leads us. Probably when I get a job again, I'll start putting a lot of it into YouTube. Get some stuff busted out, and hope you guys enjoy it. Well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. We will talk to you guys next time. We'll see you guys next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate it. See you next time. Peace.